In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a social media account to Hootsuite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. Hootsuite is an incredible tool for managing multiple social media accounts from one convenient dashboard. Now, whether you're looking to manage your personal accounts or those of a business, linking these accounts to Hootsuite is a pretty straightforward process. So let's walk through it step by step. First, if you don't already have a Hootsuite account, you'll want to create one. Just head to the Hootsuite website, sign up, and log in. If you're already a user, simply log into your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side where you can see your profile information. Now let's focus on the profile section. This is the area where you can manage your social accounts and teams. You're going to click on the profile icon, which will direct you to the settings for your social accounts. Don't worry, this is where the magic starts. As you navigate through, you'll see an option for social accounts and teams. Click on that, and you should be directed to a page that shows you the social media accounts you currently have connected. Now here's where we add a new one. Look for the plus icon. It's typically located near the top of the screen. Give that a click. Once you've clicked the plus icon, a new window will pop up, prompting you to connect a social account. Here, you will be asked to select the social platform you want to link with Hootsuite. This could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or others. Choose the platform you're looking to add from the list provided. After selecting your desired social media platform, you might encounter a login screen for that specific account. This is an important step. You need to provide your login credentials for that platform. In most cases, you'll enter your email or username and password as you normally would. Now, depending on the platform you chose, there might be additional permissions that Hootsuite requires you to approve. This usually involves allowing Hootsuite to access certain information and features from your social media account, such as posting, managing comments, or reading analytics. Read through the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click the Confirm button to grant access. Once you complete the login and permission approval process, you should receive a confirmation that your social media account is now linked to Hootsuite. How easy was that? You're just a few clicks away from streamlining your social media management. Now that your account is linked, you can start managing your posts from the Hootsuite dashboard. You can schedule posts, monitor interactions, analyze your audience engagement, and much more, all from one central hub. Before we wrap up, let me remind you to take some time to explore the other features Hootsuite offers. They have insightful analytics tools that help you understand your audience better, scheduling tools that allow you to time your posts for maximum engagement, and even team collaboration tools if you're working with a team. So there you have it. You've successfully linked a social media account to Hootsuite. Remember to always keep an eye on your dashboard for notifications and updates that can enhance your social media strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips on social media management and Hootsuite usage.